Want to know how to see your order status in Best Buy? So if you have ordered any product in bestbuy.com and if you want to know how you can get its order status, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Best Buy website. Just simply head towards www.bestbuy.com and you should be right here. So make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created similar videos regarding Best Buy which is on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, on the right side you should be seeing this interfaces on the bottom. So right below card you should be seeing order status as well. So you can just simply select that. This is where your orders and where your orders are rates shows. So once that is done, a different page should open up, and once a different page opens up, you can see all of it. So you can see your purchases, your in progress and cancelled order. You can just simply see in progresses in order to see an actual order status, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.